Hey everyone, I went to an estate sale today, and on Sundays everything is half price. And of course, you know, you do miss out on some things, but you do get some good things. And today I got some goodies. I have two 1828 George Barnwell volumes 1 and 2 that are in pretty freaking amazing condition for the age of them. So yeah, this will be going in my eBay store. No doubt about it. This will go on eBay. Then, I could not leave this behind. I was in love. Check her out. All porcelain. Look at her, isn't she just, she has been immaculately kept. She was kept under glass. Check out this beautiful, beautiful clothes on her. She even has little underwear on. But the body, everything is porcelain. Check out these shoes. Look at these adorable shoes. I love her. I just fell in love with her, and I'm hoping a collector will love her too. I don't know, she's going to be hard to let go, but she is just stunning. It looks like her panties are made from like a, I don't know how to describe it, but very vintage, very awesome, immaculate, amazing little doll baby. So, she's going to come wrapped up in everything I can find to wrap her in. If you see anything here, you can message me and make an offer. And, you know, if it's a profit, I'll let you know. If not, I'll tell you how much I have to get to make a profit on it. Then, I got this box, and I'm not sure if this is actually handmade, but look at the work on it. And it's got, it looks like FLEMISHR on the back, but you can't, I mean, with the way they wrote back then, it's really hard to tell. But look at this. This is just awesome. Does not have a year anywhere on it. I did look. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. I absolutely love it. And I need to tighten up the hinges on the back. They're a little loose, but that's okay. That's not going to, all the parts are there, so that's not going to be too hard to do. And the last things I got at this estate sale, I got a set of 4 of these, still in the box, and then I got a set of 4 of the black ones also, still in the box. And these are just, I don't know, I just like these, but I'm not sure what they're made of. Oh, that one's got a little ding on it. That's okay. Aren't they gorgeous? These would be great for, like, you know, if you have finger sandwiches for a luncheon or something. These are black trimmed in gold. And there's no dings on these. So yeah, I was really happy. I don't usually go the last day, but I wasn't feeling well on Friday and Saturday, so I decided I'd just stop in and see by chance that they have any vintage papers, which of course they didn't. And she did tell me they did not get any for the sale at all, so I wasn't too sad about that. So that was this sale, and like I said, the things will be going in my eBay store, and I'll start linking that as soon as I get it fully loaded. But yeah, I had a good day today, and guess what? It's not raining, and it's not too hot. And I got my flower sacks up here to keep anything from getting on them. So let me put these back in their wrapping. Because as you know, I craft on this desk, and I did not clean the glue from last night up yet. I just went straight to bed. So I didn't want anything to get on them. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I will be doing a Thrifty Thursday haul this week as well. See you later. Bye-bye.